Hi guys, for today's video, we're gonna show you how to duplicate pictures from one or two direction by using linear pattern. Here is, we have finished illustration and we will show you how to make this one. At the top corner, there is what we call linear pattern and just select it. This shows direction 1 which asks you in what direction do you want to make duplication. So I'm gonna select this direction. And as you can see, there is an arrow pointing where the direction of duplication goes. And I want to redirect it into opposite direction. Slide down and you will see pictures in body portion. To make it easier to copy the illustration, I'm gonna choose body only to make duplication of this figure. And I'm selecting this body. In this part, I'm gonna write how many duplication I want to make, which is 4. And this part tells us what spacing do you want for each figure, which is I'm entering 60mm spacing. Since what we do is for one direction only, I want to add another direction, and to do that, you need to select direction 2 and select this direction. Here is, I'm writing down the spacing of each figure and how many duplication do I want to enter. Then press OK. As you can see, there are part in the illustration that is skip. And to do that, just right click the pattern and select Edit Picture. Find instances to skip and select the part that you want to skip, which is the middle part. Then, there you have it. Just press OK. And that's how you use linear pattern. They look similar.